there's a strange thing that happens with entrepreneurs. Like, they always don't feel motivated, right? And some days are high, some days are high with energy, some days are low with energy. And maximum cases, what I observed with myself also, if I'm not putting my goals that big enough, some days are very low, and that goal don't push me for that days which are low. So what do you have, the like most important three goals in your life right now that pushes you always?
First, I'll tell you one more thing. Tell me, do you clean your house? Do you have a bath?
Uh, yeah, what happens is
Fine.
some days when I feel unsatisfied, like something is not there, I have a brain fog. That day I go and clean my room, clean everything. That satisfies me somewhere.
Amazing. I love it. That is so powerful. That's very powerful. But tell me, do you have a bath
Yeah, yeah.
every day or once a week or once in 15, 20 days when you feel
Every day,
really dirty?
every day,
But
every
why
day.
every day? You
It
have to
had
feel
become a
new.
habit.
You have
Yeah.
to feel new. You feel happy, you feel new every day. So same with the mind. The mind will not behave the same every day. You have to clean the mind every day just with the way you clean your body. So you clean it with meditation, you clean it with working out. First thing in the morning, you get up in the morning, you have fear, you have anxiety, the body chemicals are playing, all kinds of signals are coming to the brain, and you get confused. Oh my God, is everything wrong? Is everything okay in life? Am I going to fail? What's going to happen? Amir Khan ne bola tha na, all is well, all is well, all is well. You have to tell you everything, but it doesn't work. All is well, sometimes doesn't work. So what do? Get up in the morning and work out. When you work out, there is some endorphin release, some dopamine, I don't know, something happens, and you feel powerful, and you're like, up now I can do it. Bring it on. You feel fearless, you feel super powerful. That is why workouts help. So that is, workout is an antidepressant, to that extent you should work out. Second is sangat. Keep a company of people who you can call. Hey Sammy, I'm not feeling good. What are you saying, Avi? Come on, you can do it, you're amazing. So you keep one or two or three friends, create a WhatsApp group, call it topic no fear 2022. Add one, two, or three friends in that, and get those people to continuously, whenever you're feeling low, you put a message, not feeling low, they will lift you up. Their job is to lift you up. Have a company of those kind of two, three people. Working out, have a company of two, three people, and that's enough. Every day you go low, do these two things, and come back up, and then start performing.